I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the tone you want. That decision guides every choice. Once decided, pick 2-3 base emojis that carry the core idea. A face, object, and symbol work well. Make sure to test in your messaging app so you see how they render. Use spacing and order intentionally. Proximity changes meaning. If needed, swap one emoji to shift nuance. Once done, you already have your first working combo ready to send. Now you deepen the combo by layering meaning. Place the most specific emoji first so modifiers follow naturally. You should test modifiers like skin tone or gender when relevant because they alter reading. Experiment with repetition for emphasis and use punctuation or a space to create a deliberate pause. This controls rhythm. Make sure to swap categories. Pairing an emoji from a different semantic field often creates a clever contrast. Finish by tightening the order so your message reads instantly. Shorter combos are faster to interpret. Test on iOS, Android, and desktop because rendering can shift meaning and make adjustments where a glyph looks odd. If recipients misread the combo, simplify to 1 or 2 emojis or add a single clarifying word. If a platform shows boxes or gaps, replace that emoji immediately. Finally, practice. Your intuition improves with use, and small tweaks solve most misunderstandings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.